Okay, I just got into NQ here. The open happened down here. I didn't get in there, so I just let it go. Came up here, up top, and it got a new high. Not a new high, but it got a high. Came down and created a swing low. Goes back up and gets another high. Basically, if you look at these numbers right here, these numbers are right here. Doesn't matter whether you're looking at the total volume or the volume delta. That's divergence right there. And then, if you're looking down here, that's divergence. Basically, we had all this demand going up, and it just totally disappeared here. So, that's what I was looking at on the 1 minute. I was also looking at the, well, we are getting a very large buying volume delta here. So it went back up and retested this level here. If we can get something that closes below this level right here, oops, put that back on. If we get a candle, all we need is a candle to close below that level right there, and we can start getting shorter, or going short. But that needs to be done. One thing we also have here, if you're somebody who pays attention to it, so we also have this possibility right here. Something like that. That's why we need to close below that. Those are a couple things I was looking at on here. I was also looking at I can't remember what. Let's see, I was can't remember what else I was looking at. Oh yeah, here it is. Sorry about that. My mind went blank here. I'm going to pull this down here a little bit. I was also looking at this level right here. Sorry about that. I was looking at this level right here. Get rid of this. This candle comes up and the buyers pretty much give over half the candle back here. And so then they try to take it again. Sellers take control of it. Buyers come in and try to take it again, and they cannot close above that fractal high right there. Close below it. This candle goes up, retest it again, and held. So this is resistance right here. So we have to go short. If that's going to reject price as resistance, then we're going short. That's two of the things I was looking at, and sorry I had a brain freeze there. I just couldn't remember what I was looking at. But that's the 1 and the 3 are what I was looking at mainly. Now we just need to get below this level right here on the 1 minute and close below that level. And we're good. And now also on the 3 minute here, as I just showed, we need to get below this level here, I believe it is, right here. So get that back out of the way. We are getting a small positive volume delta here, but the inbox histogram staying below the 0 line down here. So, but on this move here, we had lots of demand going up, and they almost gave it up on this candle right here. More money got thrown in right here, drove price up, and then they barely had anything here, and then they pretty much gave it away right here, and tried one more time right here, and this held. Now this candle did close below this, so now we have a chance to get down here for the harmonic pattern. I'll move that to the high of that candle right there. I'm trying to give it room to grow. I don't want to be too close. Actually, I'm going to bring it right here. I'm going to bring it to just above this level right here that we needed to get below to get down here, because I don't want to give anything up here back. So, because if it goes, I don't want to give it back, but if it goes, reverses and goes back above here, we're going after this high right here. So, and I just threw this down here randomly, not randomly, but that's where the New York Open and this move here came from. That's why I put it there. I'm going to bring it right here. I'll bring it right here to the high of this candle here. That's a personal preference wherever you want to put it at. So, but this was a pretty basic entry right here. Divergence right here with the numbers, volume and volume delta, and the divergence down here on inbox histogram. And that's all I use. I use inbox histogram on the 1 minute. I don't use it on any other time frame. All I have on my other charts is MGAN swing. I don't use anything else. Every once in a while on a larger time frame I might use the auto force ceiling, but that's it. It's not there all the time. I like the auto force ceiling on the larger time frames, but I don't use it all the time. Okay, and I'm out. So basically we're going to, I brought it down here because if we went back here, we were going to go test here. And if we close above here, there's a good chance we go back up here to this high. And that's why I wanted to protect these areas right here. This area here and this area here. Because this pattern, theoretically, that's how it works. So, that's it.